This is the Read and Rise Qaida, and this is Kiitab, the digital reciting pen. Now watch this. Bismillah, let's start with the alphabet.
ألف باء تاء
That sounds amazingly clear.
سين شين
And it just works, placing Kiitab on top and it reads the words out perfectly.
عين غين
It's really simple for a child to follow along.
واو
Wow, that's the real voice of Sheikh Faraj Zidan from Al-Azhar University's Department of Quran Recitation and its Sciences, which means that your child is learning from one of the world's finest experts in this field. Kiitab doesn't just read out words from the Qaida, it also teaches rules. Let's have Sheikh Umar Suleiman tell us what Fatha does to a letter.
Fatha is a short line above a letter which adds an a sound.
That's a very nice, short, clear explanation, mashallah. Now, just as the other pages, I can touch anywhere on a page and Kiitab will read things out.
أ ب تاء
There we go. But it doesn't just work with letters, it works with words now as well. Watch this.
أمر بلغ
Beautifully clean, just as before, mashallah. Kiitab doesn't just read out words, it doesn't just teach, it also plays games. You'll be amazed. Watch this.
Welcome to the Find Me game. Where is
وجد وجد
well done? Where is
ثمر
Wasn't that amazing? Now, let me get this one wrong.
try again?
ثمر
You're so good at this.
So you can see how this really helps children in increasing their speed of recognition and their engagement when it comes to the Qaida. Now let me show you another feature. This time, we'll move to the Sukoon level. Watch this.
Welcome to the Time Me game. Touch any line. Can you read it before the time runs out?
So you can hear the timer go off in the background. The line has to be read before the timer runs out. This helps to build the child's fluency when reading. Now let me show you another amazing feature in the Read and Rise Qaida. It's called the spelling game. First, I'm going to select a level.
The three main harakas. Spell the word.
هو
So Kiitab has asked me to spell the word huwa.
ها ضمة واو فتحة
MashaAllah.
Now, wasn't that just amazing? This helps our children to build their understanding at a greater depth. And there's a spelling game for each of the levels in the Read and Rise Qaida. We've also included a quick start tajweed level in the Read and Rise Qaida, which shows the rules of tajweed that are inherent within the script itself. Let's listen to Sheikh Umar explain ikhfa.
When an empty meme is followed by ba, the meme sound is extended for 2 counts.
Amazingly clear. Let's listen to Sheikh Faraj with an example.
هم بها
And another.
لكم بهيمة
MashaAllah. This means the rules of tajweed are now accessible to our children within the Qaida. And at the end, we reach the final level.
MashaAllah, we are now ready to recite the Quran.
Now let's listen to the standard, inshallah, that our children will reach at the end of this Quran learning journey.
سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
MashaAllah. You can see why this Kiitab solution has helped thousands of students to progress from the Qaida to the Quran over the last 5 years. Now, from the teachers that we've spoken to, it takes on average 2 to 3 years for a child to complete the Qaida. But with the Kiitab solution, that time is cut in half. Can you imagine children completing the Qaida in just 1.5 years? Well, that's a reality for the students who are regularly following the Kiitab solution. Alhamdulillah, you can see why this is the world's most fun and engaging way to learn the Quran. The Read and Rise Qaida comes in both the Othmani script, that's the Medina script, and the Indo-Pak or the South Asian script, also known as the Majidi script.